before you pay. Thank you. Come again.
Approaching me ship, I will soar into the air and crush you with a butt slam. Highbrow!
I like this guy.
Find somebody to sign for the posters. After all, I like to think I run a reputable organisation.
I'm signed for this, so I can go take a shower and wash off the sensation of having performed actual work.
I would be delighted!
Great, now give him the package.
Thanks. Now get out of my sight!
He's got the package? Cool. Now kill him. Guy's an asshole.
What is this? What secrets do you hold, What lies within your bowels, oh...
Awesome. Now you just have to put the posters up all around the ship. Deadlift's men will try to kill you the entire time, but...
Is that cool? That's what cool is?
That's one poster up. Keep going. My customers are gonna get what they paid for, even if you shoot them in the sternums while they...
There's absolutely nothing about that I like.
Only a few posters left. Don't die.
I'm very good! Setting the trap! Sword, really That is a picture.
Just 2 more and you're done. I'm incredibly happy that you're doing this for me. If that's not clear, it's only because I've spent several months isolated.
I see.
Just put up one last poster and you're all done.
A kitten! Reminds me, I need to buy another 100 for my space castle. Apparently, you have to feed them.
I overexposed the last set of pictures, so I used a cat photo instead. People like cats. Anyway, come on back. Deadlift uses that jump pad as his front door. You might want to do the same.
I disabled the jump pad! Forgive me, jump pad. I didn't mean it.
Crap. Better head up to that geothermal substation, see what the damage is.
Don't let those hoity-toity Hyperion goons take one more step.
fuse busted. Got an idea though? You could be the fuse.
Beg your pardon?
If you complete the circuit between those two live wires, it should reactivate the jump pad. Just stand between the two sparky bits.
Apologies. You've confused me for someone who doesn't hire others to experience pain for her. That sounds uncomfortable.
Yep, gonna hurt lots. Right, now just go kill the guy so you can get to Concordia.
Why are those Hyperion screwbags still alive?
Warning, oxygen levels at 50% and dropping.
You got the right jump pads?
I never got to ride a jump pad,
I also witnessed the deaths of many innocent people.
but jump pads though. Deadlift time!
There he is. Just kill his dumb ass and I can get you closer to Concordia and finding that jamming signal.
I can't wait to toss your corpse onto a jump pad and watch it take to the air like a child's imagination. Like confidence!
Now find the Digistruct key. Must be somewhere around here.
Wonderful!
Hunza! Am I glad to see that? Pick it up! Now you've got the Digistruct key, you can turn on one of my moon zoomies at the Dial way station. Get yourself there, but be careful. Scavs have taken over that place after the Krakening.
Warning, 0 atmosphere environment.
Those oxygen geysers will refill your Oz kit. Just step into one and take a deep whiff.
Run, darling! Run! The ice cream coming!
This is the last will and testament of Tom Thorson, Dahl Captain. Deadlift scavs are boarding my ship as I speak. Whoever finds this echo, please, find it in your heart to honor a doomed man's last wishes. Just press the next message button when you're ready.
Avenging the innocent isn't my usual purview, but sure, why not?
Thanks. First off, I need you to inform Colonel Zarpedon of my death. Plug this echo recorder into a transmitter and convey the message.
Elpis was an old Dahl colony way back, but then the Krakening happened. Lava erupting everywhere had them buggering off pretty quick. They left whole factories here to rot, equipment just lying around. After a few years, the first fleet arrived. It wasn't the first one here, but that's what they called it. People started living here again. Maybe living's an overstatement, but people are here, amongst everything else. No one really knows why the Krakening happened, but most people you run into will say Dahl caused it, extracting minerals or something. I don't know. I guess stories don't have to be true to be believed. They just have to be told. And I tell that one a lot.
say you survived Kragan Pass. Big deal. I dare you to come over here and try that crap. Get over here so we can avenge Deadlift in his sick-ass spacesuit.
Little surprise!
Ah, crap, I didn't think you'd actually come.
I imagine. Look at that! I'm able!
Thank you for informing me of Captain Thorson's fate, Vault Hunter. Though you will not have my mercy, you do have my respect.
Once you've told the Colonel of my death, I'd like you to avenge me. It looks like Squad, Deadlift's lieutenant, is boarding my ship right now. If you could track him down and kill him, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for killing Squad. Jeez, I can hear him now. Okay, final request. I need you to find a guy named Nell. Now, tell him he's a dick.
I've been asked to tell you that you're a dick.
Warning, oxygen levels at 50% and
Oh! That's that. Sorry I can't give you a reward, but, you know, I'm dead. Still, thanks.
Vault Hunter, I want to thank you for fulfilling Captain Thorson's last wishes. Head to the following coordinates. My men hid this weapon stash months ago. You can have them until I take them back.
Afraid I've run out of balls.
attention, atmosphere detected.
Ignore that. Just smack it.
Calm yourself.
You
Good on ya. Now just get a vehicle and come on back. If you want to kill some Kragans while you're out there, I'm looking to make some corpse jewelry out of them.
Farewell.
Make sure to stop by. I got something that'll get you into Concordia. Maybe you can find your signal there and get back to your ruddy huge space station.
Hey, you survived! That was me high-fiving myself. They're looking for me, so I gotta go radio silent. Find the jamming signal, shut it down, and return to Helios.
What brings you to the moon?
I was jogging through my turbo mansion, horribly bored, and it occurred to me...
to see ya. Here, take this. It's an Orbitron. It'll get you into Concordia. All right, just jump that crap with your vehicle and you'll be well on your way to Concordia. Once you get there, you should be able to find your
Jamming signal, or whatever you said. I'll meet you there later. And be careful out there, Vault Hunter.
Aren't you just the sweetest thing? Darling, I'm much too wealthy to die.
Know much about lasers? There's a light reactor stuffed in a building nearby that I can sell for a good chunk of moonstones. If you get it for me, I can give you one of my spare laser weapons. I just gave you a prod gun. You'll need to piss off some Kragans with it.
Hi, new best friend. I'm from the Toy Corporation, and I'm super duper
Sorry for rambling, Vault Hunter.
No problem at all. You want to hear real rambling, you should meet my brother.
You've made it! The building with the light reactor should be nearby. Get inside.
The entrance is all clogged up, sad to say.
All right. That's why I gave you the prod gun. Blood, it's still holding. Get him to ram it again.
Right there.
Hey, they broke away the rubbish. Now get inside and yoink the light reactor. Bonza! Now bring it back to me and I'll trade you a laser gun.
Oh, you could destroy it for me and get a cool tour gun. Why? Because I resent laser guns and I'm super good at holding grudges. It's a serious personality problem. Just drop the light reactor into some lava.
Oh, I kind of feel sorry for the big bag of muscles. You can get the reactor to me or destroy it for Torg. I'll still like it either way.
We make a good team. Except for the part where I don't do anything.
Oh, man! Everybody's enjoying their laser weapons, and I'm just sitting around making things explode. My life's... You're just saying that. People want lasers, not explosions.
No, I really do like explosions. You're great.
Really? I like you now. Do you want to go out?
Sorry, I'm not into guys.
Friend zone! Yeah.
Is Athena telling the story about the light reactor thing? I'd like to just point out that I was in a dark place back then, and I know that friend zoning is an imaginary and misogynistic way of looking at relationships. You guys know what I mean.
Please go away, Tor.
Fair enough! Wow!
Welcome to Concordia, a crowd poll if I ever saw one. Find a guy named Huckster. He's ex-Hyperion, runs the town.
Okay, that's far enough, Buster.
Just give him the...
Entry papers, and make it snappy. Chop chop.
Ah, je suis désolé. Must have left my papers in my other fabulous coat.
You're in violation of the verbal space morality statute. You just got a ticket.
No, you misunderstood me. As a member of the bourgeoisie, I speak many languages.
Oh, you just got another. I love rules. Then follow me or you'll get a third ticket. spaceports on Alpha. Too bad you'll be seeing it only from a cell for all those tickets you've accrued.
Give him the Orbitron. Things will get weird, just so you know.
Oh, great. Yeah, consider yourself totally cleared for decontamination.
Ooh, told you I'd get you in. You're on your own now.
Welcome, new citizen. Obey my commands. Go stand on decontamination pad. Do not move when beam comes. You move! Come into clinic, silly Lapushka. I Nurse Nina. When you need medicine, you come see. Only if serious, though. Nurse Nina hate big babies. Unless they're real babies. Nurse Nina love them. You hurt. Here, take. Good, you better. When hurt again, can use vending machine to buy heals. You healthy. Go. This kind. That smells like hot breath. Oh, I keep you breathing, yes?
Oh, Violet, I think she's broken.
So, Huckster, the guy you need to find, calls himself Marif. Like, mayor mixed with Shara is stupid, whatever. But he might know how to track down the signal. This guy's still pulling down a fat retirement plan from Hyperion from my division. I'm basically his boss. He's pretty much on the team already.
Visitors from Helios. So, here's the thing. No visitors today.
That's unfortunate.
You're one of us, you stupid named son of a bastard!
Thank you for visiting the offices of the Marif. We hope you enjoyed your bureaucratic interactions.
Yes. There is one other person who can help us, unfortunately. Get to the up-over bar. Where the hell's Mox? Oh, wait. Hey, you see those two on the dance floor? The tattooed chick and the guy allergic to smiling? Oh, they're ex-Vault Hunters. Go see if they'll help. Oh, finally. Lady Luck flips a frickin' face card.
Bonsoir. I've been asked to say something about doll forces on Hyperion Station.
Hyperion, doll. Is there a difference?
We're on vacation. Together.
Yeah, sorry, but we're out of the vault hunting game.
Too many tentacles.
Tentacles? Imagine that's more up Alistair's alley.
Go talk to Moxie. Damn it!
Looking for me, sugar?
Wow! I must say, congratulations on the bosoms. Top notch. They are hilarious.
So, Jack sent you, huh? Must have bothered him something awful. No worries, though. It's all in the past. What does he need?
Well, he's asked me to shut down a jamming sick... I'm so sorry. Your breasts are just wonderful. I can't keep a straight face.
You want to find a signal? Then you gotta put transmitters on the echo towers around town. Get up high. Simple triangulation. They'll find the source, then you can shut it down. Thing is, I don't have any transmitters here. But that's fixable. First, I need you to pick up some moonstones mistakenly confiscated by the customs claptrap. Head over there and I'll update your echo. Trust me, it'll make sense.
Can I get a bloody refill? Foxy tells me you're here for her moonstones. I'm pretty sure I stored them at the bank. You can pick them up from there.
I'm not a big fan of the bank. Still, it serves its purpose. You can use it to stash things you don't feel like carrying around.
Oh, that's right. I actually put the moonstones in the stash, not the bank. You can have the gun. The owner doesn't need it.
The stash, huh? That's where you can store items you want to swap between other characters. Not sure why you put the moonstones there.
That's right. I had the moonstones all along. Classic, huh?
Seriously? Shame he doesn't ticket himself for stupidity. Pick up the moonstones and take them to... Show the moonstones to the guy there and you'll get what you need. I ordered a bunch of transmitters a while back, but I've been kinda avoiding this place. That Janie Springs keeps trying to use it as a place to accidentally run into me.
What you want?
Your door smells like feces with a vomit garnish. Please give me some transmitters so I may relocate myself somewhere with a higher average income.
I'll throw them in if you take some of this other trash off my hands. I'm strictly legit. You didn't get that.
Yeah, Crazy Earl gets around, and he's a useful guy to know. Bring him moonstones and you'll get what you need. What you want? Love that guy. I'll hit your echo with the coords for the towers and manage things from here. When you get the first transmitter in place, I'll make contact. You need to get above Spring's Emporium O stuff. She's out of town, so she won't be around to help. And so we're clear, tell Jack once this is done, we're all square.
You'll never see me come.
Got a connection, but it's not very stable. You mind giving it a whack for me? That's better. Give me a sec to get everything set up on this end.
I don't understand, but she picked them up. Didn't come in person, sent someone. I'm just letting you know, because you said to if anybody ever swung by for them. And she didn't mention me at all?
Yeah, so, you see what I mean about that girl? The signal. It's not coming from Concordia. Coords for the next tower on your echo. Perfect. She's working now. Let's get her calibrated. I just gotta mess with some dials back here.
Mama, you know why I no come back? I'm safe here. Company no know I'm here. They me same because they expect me change it. Anyway, Mama. Mama, no cry. Me no must go.
This transmitter, something's not working. Let's try rebooting it. There we go. There's a tower above the Mayor's office. Try getting up there.
Warning. Trespassing on government property will result in your immediate death. Thank you.
Oh yeah, should have mentioned the turrets. You'll need to destroy them. Yeah, so looks like a bullet or two damaged the relay drive gearbox. Sift through those turrets, see if you can find a replacement.
A what?
That's it? Score! Give me time to just...
Blimey, you really know how to listen to a bloke's problems. I'll give you that. You sure I can't book you for more, physical services? I'm a bloody stress volcano right now, and I could do with the relief.
Oh, gross. I make it very clear to all my patrons, Serena is not for... I'll deal with our Marif later. Okay, everything looks set up. Head up to the control panel I've marked on your Echo. Activate it so I can initiate the final scan to pinpoint the signal's origin.
The signal's coming from Crisis Scar. May I go back to killing things now, oh chestacular one?
That's an old doll comms facility. Been nothing but scavs there for years.
Well, looks like it's working again. Go shut it down. Also, status updates, still getting shot at, so if you wanted to hurry, that'd be cool.
Guns! Glorious guns!
Attention, citizens of Concordia. Until further notice, for your own protection, the town is in lockdown. No one in or out. That is all. Okay?
Oh, what the hell is wrong with this guy? This is so frustrating. Get back to Moxie. She's got secret exits everywhere. Classic.
If you're looking for Moxie cover, she's not here. Really hard getting stuck when she's off in a secret workshop, tinkering with advanced tech and all. If I was any more annoyed, I'd probably let it slip that it's accessible by pushing the arm up on the one-arm banded machine over there, then pressing the access button that pops out. Phew, close one. That new internal dialogue filter chip I had installed a ripper, mate.
Birds. Hello? Hey, whoa, what are you doing?
What are you doing in here?
And she even comes with a change of clothes. That is just rich.
Damn it, I really don't like people seeing me out of character. The hell do you want?
That Marif fellow's locked me in, and if I have to listen to any more blather, I'm liable to open my veins with a diamond-plated razor blade. So...
I know a way out, but I won't show it to you unless you promise not to tell anyone what you saw here.
Of course, darling.
Great, because if you spilled, my son would have to bury you alive in a shallow grave. That's the way out of here. Hope you find that signal, and remember, shallow grave.